Hello friends, welcome to Study with Harshit. Today I am going to share with you complete revision of Unit 2 Environmental Studies. Friends, Unit 1 की भी complete revision वीडियो हमारे YouTube चैनल Study with Harshit पर अपलोड हो चुकी है और उसकी प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में ऐड कर दिया है। आप एक बार जरूर चेक करें। और भी यूनिट्स अपलोड हो गई। Natural resources. The word resource refer to a supply source that is typically kept in reserve. In other terms, natural resources are substances that living things can use to sustain themselves, or any part of natural resource that can be used by people to further their well-being. Natural resources include things like land, soil, water, wood, etc., as well as energy source and phenomena that occur naturally. Various natural resource types: solar energy, wind power, rainfall, hydropower. These are the types of natural resource. Renewable and non-renewable. These are the two basically types of natural resources. Non-renewable natural resources are biological species and minerals, and renewable resources are water, human resource, soil fertility, wildlife, natural vegetation, aquatic animals. These are the renewable resources. Water resources. The most vital component of any living things is water. It is widely utilized as a solvent for irrigation, navigation, industry, the production of power, and other purposes. Water can be found as a solid, liquid, or gas. In its solid form, it can be found in glacier, ice caps on mountain peak, and frozen ice in polar region. It exists in liquid form as groundwater, lakes, rivers, and streams. Water exists in atmosphere as vapor in a gaseous state. About 77.2% of the water is constantly frozen, 22.4% groundwater, 0.35% soil moisture, and the remaining is 0.01% is in river and streams. Management of water resources. Due to danger from oil and other pollutants need to be managed. No water is wasted or misused. Everyone should have access to clean water for variety of use. Water should be stored and distributed in a scientifically sound manner. Put an end to the water waste caused by overuse of irrigation. For best water use, there needs to be public knowledge. For drinking purpose, water should be treated with RO, UB, etc. Forest resources. 90% of the biomass on the planet is made up of forest. These are three dominant natural ecosystems. The world land surface is covered by forest to an extent of around one third, with tropical forest making up the majority of those forests. Importance of forest. The forests are crucial to us in the following ways: erosion protection from watersheds and land, control rainfall, humidity and temperature, noise reduction, pollution reduction, purification of air, absorption and transformation of radiant energy into plant biomass are regulated functions, and control mineral nutrient cycle. These are the importance of forest. Mineral resources. Mineral resources are a broad category of material obtained from the earth. Minerals are inorganic crystalline solids that occur naturally and have a specific composition and properties. Minerals are formed in the earth crust. The gradual acquisition of knowledge about the use of raw minerals, extraction, purification, and the mixing of metal to form alloy is linked to the evolution of civilization. Categories of minerals: non-metallic, such as diamond, graphite, and so on; metallic mineral such as bauxite and laterite; minerals that generate energy such as coal, oil, and gas. नॉन मेटेलिक मिनरल होते हैं डायमंड, ग्रेफाइट और इसी तरीके के. मेटेलिक मिनरल होते हैं बॉक्साइट और लेटराइट. और मिनरल दैट जनरेट एनर्जी, जो एनर्जी जनरेट करते हैं, वो कोल, ऑयल और गैस ये होते हैं. ये कैटेगरीज हैं मिनरल की. यूज ऑफ मिनरल रिसोर्सेस. मिनरल रिसोर्सेज के क्या क्या यूज हैं। एनर्जी जनरेशन, एनर्जी जनरेट करने में यूरेनियम और कोल का यूज होता है। इंडस्ट्री, मशीनरी डेवलपमेंट, फॉर बिल्डिंग पर्पसेस, weapon of war defense, jewelry, the formation of an alloy, and Ayurvedic remedies. These are the use of mineral resources. Dams. Dams constructed on river act as a man-made lake that holds large amount of rainwater. However, there are other benefits to store such a large amount of water. Advantages of dam. During dry period, it ensure irrigation, making hydroelectric power is made possible by it. It makes sure there is always enough water available for various uses. Canal can be used to transport water from one area with an abundance of water of another with a storage. This prevents soil erosion. डैम जो है ड्राई पीरियड में इंश्योर करता है कि वहाँ पर पानी मिल सके और डैम से हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी जनरेट हो सकती है और डैम इंश्योर करता है कि इनफ वाटर रहे अवेलेबल हर समय अलग अलग यूज के लिए और ये सॉइल एरोजन को भी प्रिवेंट करता है। ये एडवांटेजेस हैं डैम के। Disadvantages of dam. This causes a significant loss of the area, fertile land or populated area. Large amount of water that have been stored could cause seismic activity. The dam could crack in the incident of the earthquake, unleash a flood that would wreak havoc. Significant water loss due to seepage into rock beds and evaporate into the atmosphere. After evaporation, the concentration of salt in river water increases. As a result, the water downstream cannot be drunk. Disaster. A disaster may be described as an extremely harmful natural calamity that causes ecological disruption, human health, and a large number of casualties. Disasters are distinct from hazards and emergencies and pose a greater threat to society. Disaster can happen at any time, anywhere. Natural sources of disaster: landslides, cyclone, strong wind, flood, earthquake, heat and cold wave. These are the natural sources of disaster. Man-made source of disaster. Man-made source of disaster are war, atomic explosion, workplace accidents and battles. These are the man-made source of disaster. I hope you understand. Friends, और भी यूनिट की कंप्लीट रिवीजन अपलोड हो चुके हैं हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी विद हर्षित पर। आप एक बार जरूर चेक करें। मैंने प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में ऐड कर दिया है और इस वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।